Heart rate Sparkline, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Each point on the chart is the average heart rate from all your activities on that day. The average and max numbers are calculated across the entire window of data shown. A small area chart showing your average heart rate per day over the last few weeks. The line goes up and down as your heart rate changes. The backend queries all activities within the display window, typically 21-30 days, and computes the arithmetic mean of average heart rate across all runs on each day. If multiple runs happen on one day, they are averaged together. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.